Hi, hello, my name is Valluri Novahu. Welcome to this channel. I teach Greek grammar, Koine Greek, New Testament Greek, and I encourage all of you to learn this language. This is very useful language, not only to the Bible school students, but also those who are interested to read and learn a new language. You can learn alphabet within 10 minutes. I teach you so that you can write down or recite after me so that you can learn alphabet. I use different Greek grammar books, but there are many grammar books in the libraries and bookstalls. There are many books even with me, but I am going to use J.W. Wenham, Elements of New Testament Greek Grammar, as the basis of our grammar. We have many other books. It is written by R.A. Martin and Introduction to New Testament. And also we have Rush Meshan, the New Testament Greek for beginners. And also we have John H. Dobson, Learn the New Testament Greek, and this is also a very good book. And I encourage all of you to concentrate and learn so that that will be very useful not only in the Bible school but also in your day-to-day life. Thank you.